Welcome. This is going to be a lot of fun because what I'm going to share with you today are great exercises to help decompress the spine. In other words, you can do this right in your bedroom. First thing in the morning when you get up, stretching those muscles, allowing that mobility to come back, allowing you to feel great once again. You can also do this at night before you go to bed. So are you ready to start feeling good once again? Let's go. Okay, our first stop. Let's head to the door and get those doorknobs. So I'll take one hand, I'll grab the outside of the doorknob. I'll take my other hand, grab the inside of the doorknob. And I want you to extend your arms as far as they can go. You'll feel a nice stretch in your upper back area, underneath your arms. Bring your legs back as far as they can go to where it's comfortable. What you're going to do is you're going to lean forward and you're going to push your buttocks back. As you push your buttocks back, you'll feel a nice stretch throughout the entire spine. And you'll hold that there, about 20 to 30 seconds. Push that buttock straight back, relaxing your neck, breathing comfortably. And after about 25-30 seconds, now what you're going to do is you're going to drop your buttocks back, but down to the floor. As you push it down, you'll feel a beautiful stretch in the lower back area as you still continue to elongate those muscles throughout the spine, as well as to get that good stretch to open that disc up and to relieve that nerve root irritation or pressure that you're experiencing. And just play around. You can do this several times a day and get that good stretch and hold that up to 30 seconds. And you can do several sets. You can come back down and then do it again. Do what is comfortable. Listen to your body. So anytime you're in your bed, maybe first thing in the morning, maybe laying around during the day or before you go to bed, just do this little stretch. This will really elongate those muscles. There is no harm to the lower back. This actually opens up those intervertebral foramen where the nerves come out, the holes where the nerves come out in the lower part of the spine. By just leaning back, taking your knees and bringing them to your chest. And just bring it all the way to your chest and hold it there. You may be only able to go this far, but just keep doing this the best you can every night or every day. And you'll see as days go on, you'll be able to go further and further and further. Once you get to the point to where you can't bend any further, just chill out, take deep breaths, and just relax to allow those muscles to elongate. Stay in that position up to a minute, and you'll start seeing some great results. Now here's a great decompression stretch that everyone can do. It's so safe and yet very effective. Put a pillow on the floor. You're going to put your knees on it, just where it's comfortable. You'll be on the side of the bed. You'll put your arms straight out on the bed and reach out as far as you can. And you're just going to push your buttocks backwards. And you'll feel a nice stretch under the arms. You'll feel the mid-lower back really open up and stretch. You'll feel the lower back actually open up more as you bring your buttocks backwards. If you spread your legs a little bit and sit down a little more, wow, what an awesome stretch. And now push your buttocks straight back. Beautiful. And you'll feel all that opening, those discs open up between the spine, relieving those irritated nerves, stretching those muscles, elongating the erector spinae muscles, which are the muscles on the side of the spine. And just chill out in that position. You can stay there a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And what you can also do, if you want to get more of a stretch, take your arms, your hands, and reach a little more forward. And do the same thing again. Squat down, legs spread out, sit down, bring your buttocks straight back. You can even drop your head on the bed like this. And that will really give you a lot more relaxation. Breathe through the nose, out the mouth. And every time you breathe out, push that buttocks back a little bit more. And you'll feel an amazing stretch. There's no extra weight or blood going to the brain as we're upside down because we're right side up now. And this is extremely safe and very, very effective. Now this technique, you can use 1 or 2 pillows. I like to use 2 pillows. The higher we are off the bed, the more angle we'll have as our legs fall off. We're gonna lay on our stomach, extend our arms, and we're gonna breathe deeply to allow that tractioning to occur in our mid and lower back area. This is really an excellent stretch. So we come over the pillows. With our stomach, we're gonna come down to where our hips are close to the edge of the bed, just where our legs are falling off and not touching the floor, okay? You let it fall off as much as you can, stretch and reach. And as you reach, relax your neck and just chill out in this position. You'll feel that tractioning, that opening of the disc spaces. This will help relieve a lot of nerve irritation and pressure that you may be experiencing. It's gonna stretch out those tight muscles, and you can hang out in this position for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. As long as there's no pain, you will get those great results. Now you can flip around, keep those 2 pillows up near the edge of the bed, and bring your upper body as far as you can to where you feel stable, where your buttocks and legs will stay on the bed. Once you get that position, you're set up, you'll lean forward and you'll just touch the floor lightly like this. And reach with your fingers, okay? If you see my fingers here, I want you to crawl. Crawl with your fingers forward. And as you crawl forward, this will elongate your arms. Crawl your fingers more forward and just drop your head. Breathe through the nose, out the mouth. Take your fingers and roll them more forward. Keep rolling them forward. Drop your head. You can hang out in this position for 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you're not feeling pain, you will get those great results. Now, you can also take a weight. I'm using a little suitcase. This is really heavy for me. You can push this away from you, and this weight will kind of be the fulcrum that will actually stretch you away from the bed. So I push it away. I can use that weight, and I hold on to it to give me more balance. Drop the head, and this will allow me to stretch even further, getting that great stretch, coming down. Wow. I feel my whole entire spine. I can feel the lower back. The more you can relax your body, the more stretching you're gonna get throughout those muscles along the spine. You can drop your head down, good. Feel that nice stretch, and you can hang out there 1 minute, 2 minutes, as long as there is no pain, and you will definitely get those great results. And lastly, one of my favorite simple decompression moves. You can do this anywhere and anytime as long as you're on a bed. You'll lay on your stomach. You'll go on both forearms like this, kind of like a half cobra. Lock your feet in at the edge of the bed, okay? Take your feet and just kind of grab the edge of the bed to where you're bracing yourself in. Holding myself nice and tight, just like this, against the bed, bracing myself in, okay? So you can see that clearly. You're gonna brace yourself in nice and tight as this is holding you back right here, okay? So keeping your feet braced in, you're on your forearms with your elbows bent, elbows under the shoulder. What I want you to do is take your hands and grab the edge of the other side of the bed right here. Grab it just like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna push up with your shoulders, that half cobra move. Take your hands and pull your body forward. Go ahead. Wow. This is one of the best stretches you'll ever do when it comes to decompression. You don't need a towel. You don't need to use anything else. Just lock your feet in on one side of the bed. Lift your body up in a half cobra like this. Grab the edge of the bed and pull your body towards that edge of the bed. Pull forward and feel that stretch. It's amazing. Your stomach, your abs will really stretch open. You'll feel that nice opening in the mid back, lower back, and just focus on what's bothering you, where it hurts, and just tune in to that one area and pull forward with your hands. And after about 20, 30 seconds, relax. Take a deep breath and then do it again. Lock your feet in, grab the edge of the bed and pull forward. you'll feel that complete stretch. This is a great little invention that I developed. This is something that's cheap and expensive and very, very effective. Do several sets. Do these every day until your pain goes away. I am excited for you. Pick and choose whatever exercises that work best for you. That last exercise is one of my favorite. It's simple and very effective. Please share this video with your friends and family, particularly those who can benefit from these exercises. Leave your comments below because there will be many. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.